Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode or the blue light filter. So actually this device doesn't give us an opportunity to adjust the intensity of that feature. Actually we cannot customize it. All we can do is to turn it on or off. So in order to do that we have to unroll the top bar fully, and here we've got the blue light filter option. So let's tap on it. And I hope that you can see it, that the screen turned a little bit yellowish, and it is in order obviously to filter the blue light, and it will be much comfortable for you to look at your tablet whilst but lighting conditions around you, for example in the dim light or at night. So this is actually how to turn it on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on this icon again, and I hope that you can see it, that the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the blue light filter in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.